Well, what you see in shot right now is the Minister of Health, Dr Mkhize, and the MEC of Health arriving here at the Dr Nxiweni Field Hospital. He's going to be doing a walkabout at this hospital. It is a hospital that was created by VW that's currently housing 20% in capacity now, and has the capacity to house over 1,300 patients. We aren't allowed to go inside, but he's here. He's going to be holding a press briefing here where he's going to be informing the public about the restrictions that are going to be put in place in this metro to try and bring a stop to the high spread of this virus here in this metro. In the past weeks, the metro has been on an increase in terms of virus infections. The Eastern Cape has over 9,000 infections. 7,000 of those are coming from the Nelson Mandela metro. So the Minister of Health has been here over the past 2 days just to find out exactly where are the problem areas, what is causing what he calls a resurgence of this virus in the metro, and what can be done to try and decrease the number of people getting infected. He also this morning went to Motherwell Township, where he went to the post office, where you got to interact with people there, raising awareness and saying that, you know what, as much as the government can put all facilities in place at all the hospitals, but in the end it's going to be up to the citizens to make sure that they adhere to COVID-19 regulations. So he was doing a walkabout in Motherwell Township, an area identified as a hotspot, and there he was speaking to community members, urging them, especially as we go towards the Christmas season, that people don't take their excitement beyond what it's supposed to. They don't get too excited, they forget that there's still a pandemic we are fighting even during the time of the COVID-19 virus. So once he's done his walkabout, he's going to be shown how this specific field hospital is working, how many nurses are here, are there sufficient nurses. When we got to do a walk inside here, we did find out that there actually is a shortage of doctors. The CEO of the specific field hospital said that although there are nurses that have been employed, people that are volunteering, but there's still such an urgent need for doctors, not only here, but I think that is a general cry of medical health workers throughout the Eastern Cape. Once he's done here, he's going to have a press briefing where he's going to give measures put in place, restrictions, lockdowns that are going to be implemented in this metro so that the numbers stop being on a rise. But for now, let's go back to the studio.